A fake friend is more dangerous than 1,000 enemies, because an enemy is at least honest about their intentions. They clap for your success while secretly hoping for your fall. They listen to your secrets only to use them as weapons later. They provoke you, they hurt you, and they push you to your limit. When you finally react, they flip the blame and play the victim. Keep in mind, that isn't a misunderstanding, that is a strategy. Know the difference.